Hey, good afternoon, everybody. I'm meteorologist Justin Fanfarelli here in the NBC Nebraska Weather Center with an update on the blizzard conditions that are happening in portions of our viewing area. Let's first take a look at the winds across the region. We do have winds mainly from a northerly direction. As you make your way from North Platte and points off to the west, winds sustained around 25 to 30 miles per hour with some gusts 40 to 50 miles per hour. So where it is snowing, that snow is definitely blowing around. Here's a look at the visibility across the region. First off, I want to point out North Platte has just fallen to 3 miles visibility. So is Lexington. But as you make your way north of North Platte, Thedford out toward Ogallala, less than a half-mile visibility. Some areas reporting 0 visibility if you're traveling into our western counties. Even up toward Valentine and McCook right now, we have visibility only around 1 mile. So be aware if you're traveling out in that direction. Here's a look at the weather alerts as you make your way from, say, north and west of the Lincoln County border. We're in a blizzard warning. Lincoln County points off to the east and south. The light blue shading here, a winter weather advisory, and out toward Logan and Blaine County winter storm warnings. These are all in effect until 6 a.m. Central Time, 5 a.m. Mountain Time on Thursday. Here's a look at the Doppler radar across the region, and this is when we're going to have the heaviest and steadiest snow across the central portion of our viewing area. First off, we do have a dry slot out toward Broken Bow. Lexington points off to the south. Most of us, all of the rain has flipped over to snow, and we're getting still some heavy snow out in portions of southern Cherry County. The snow is starting to pick up again out toward Ogallala. Let's take a look at the North Platte to Ogallala corridor, and as you can see, we do have some light intensity snow from North Platte even out toward the Keith County area and in the residential areas just off to the south of North Platte. So across the country, this is the big weather maker. The warm air has gone away. The system is continuing to move off to the north and to the east. Major snow event in the Dakotas and especially into the Panhandle. Now, this is going to last on and off, especially from North Platte points off to the south through this evening with some light snow. It should continue into the Sandhills up toward Valentine through the overnight period for your Wednesday. We're still going to have windy conditions, so blowing snow is possible. So most of the snow has fallen by then, but there still could be some ground blizzards. Now, here's the additional snowfall. This is on top of what we've gotten right now. And up toward the Valentine area, unfortunately, there's some areas that could pick up 10 more inches of snow. That is already in addition to the 14 inches we have of a report of snow up toward Valentine. So in some areas up in that direction, we could pick up 2 feet of snow, and the wind just making it worse. Travel impossible, especially if you're traveling out up toward the South Dakota border. Now, we think that the snow will develop as you make your way up to the east of North Platte. Between North Platte, Broken Bow, and Lexington, another 3 to 6 inches possible. And as you make your way from North Platte out toward Ogallala, Arthur, Grant, the good news is just another 1 to 3 inches from this one. So we will keep you updated as we make our way through the rest of the afternoon. Have a complete report tonight on our 6 o'clock news. We can also tell you that I-80 is closed from Gothenburg all the way to the Wyoming border, along with Highway 30. A lot of roads into our western counties, and especially our northern counties, are going to be impassable, so no travel is advised. So we will have a full update coming up tonight at 6. Until then, back to regularly scheduled programming.
So, why are